at the ongoing 5th World Media Summit in South China's Guangzhou city, a book on the 20th National Congress of the Communist Party of China grabbed Francisco Alberto Tayana's attention. Tayana represents the Argentine national news agency, Dوران, to attend the summit. He says he wants to learn more about China through the book.
Since I'm a historian and I specialize on the People's Republic of China, it's useful material for me.
Tayana also says he has been quite impressed by Chinese modernization, saying it is breathtaking.
I think that Chinese modernization is quite breathtaking. When you look at it, the fact that China was able to take out 100 million people out of poverty in just 40 years and become the second largest world economy really is a great feat by any measure.
As a historian and sinologist, Tayana developed a deep understanding of China through his study and travel in the country.
I got this opportunity of studying in China back in the year 2017. I had already been to China before in 2012. I'd been to Shanghai, Xi'an, and Beijing. I was fascinated by just the scale of the country, its dynamism, its profound history, and I sought to understand it. And when I started researching on China in an academic matter, I also wanted to contribute to the study of China. I thought that the best way would be to try to understand the dynamics and the relationship between China and my own country. We have many links with China. We have similar diplomatic traditions, respect of sovereignty, non-intervention in other countries' internal affairs, commercial exchange, scientific and cultural cooperation.
Speaking of the World Media Summit, Tayana believes the summit is crucial for promoting cooperation, understanding, and people-to-people exchanges among different countries.
I think these summits and these multilateral spaces are absolutely crucial for deepening cooperation and understanding among different institutions, different peoples, and different nations. As the talks go on, we find more and more common ground on shared issues that humanity is increasingly facing.